What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Weather report, it's kind of cold out. So the last time I recorded a video, it's been about a month, and I've had my wheels for my truck since then. Actually, weeks before then. So I've had my wheels for almost 2 months now. Haven't really showed you guys anything. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen a picture that I posted of them. The way I upload videos, I try and get one up a week. So all that work that was done within a week. So I stretched it out for like a whole month. So you guys are seeing this now. The truck's been doing awesome ever since I lowered it down, and actually took a couple long trips and just performed awesome. So a couple of the trips have been on these new wheels and tires. Already towed on them, which I was kind of skeptical on, as you'll understand that when you see them, but went good. So without further ado, here they are. So there you guys have it. They are the Arkin Off-Road Caesars. They're 20 by 10 wheel. It's only -25 offset. I did that. I didn't want to put a huge tire on it. The direction I'm kind of going with the truck, being height-wise and what I'm going to be doing with the engine modifications. I didn't really want something too big, and I wanted something that would be, I don't know, almost like lower the gearing a little bit. So the tire is a small tire. So I went with the Nito 420V in a 295/45/20. It measures out just a tad over 30 inches tall, and it's like little under 11 inches wide. So it's a smallish tire. So they should end up working out pretty good for the look I'm going for, and functional wise. Like I had already told you, I towed on them already like 3 or 4 times actually. Not super heavy, just like 5,000–6,000 pounds. But they did good. I was proud of them. So there's some other things that we got to do, but we'll get into that later. I had planned a big, reveal and everything, but as you can tell, it's cold and it's snowing, so that's also why the truck is filthy. But so I'm super happy with it. Went back with a 20 by 10 wheel. I don't know. I had the 22/12 wides, all that stuff. I don't know. They're cool. There's a spot for it, but it really wasn't me. So keeping this video nice, short, and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you like the new look. And stay tuned. We got a lot of boxes over there in the corner and more up top. So that video will be dropping hopefully about a week after this one. So we'll see you guys then. On your way out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you guys in the next one.